Hello, this is Shawn with County. I'm going to be doing a real quick run through on just backing up your computer. So we function completely out of Google products. So if we work with Google Drive, we can be ready to go on any device that we pick up. So the easiest way of doing this is just to locate the files that you're wanting to make sure you have backed up. So I just have a random folder pulled up right now, so I'm going to just work out the music, but you can do this in any folder. You can do this on your desktop. So if you right click, you will see the option for new. I'm going to do folder. I'm just going to go ahead and name this backup. Now from there, I can grab whatever files I want and just drag it into the backup. I actually accidentally played that. It's okay though. I can actually move that into the backup. I can grab whole folders and do the same thing. So if I grab the documents folder, I can move that into the backup. Now what you'd prefer to do is right click and say copy, or actually go into that folder to do that. Now if I'm working on my desktop, I can still do the same thing. I can right click and say folder, exact same process. Now from there, I got a couple options. I can either grab that folder that's backed up and I can move it into Drive and just drop it in there. Now the issue is every now and then you'll drop that into a folder, so make sure you're not like hovering over top of a folder. You'll notice at the bottom it's changing the name of the folder it's trying to put it in. So if I hover over name where it's at right here, I can just drop it there and it's going to go into my drive. Otherwise, I can go back to my drive and say new, and I can do folder upload. And then I just go to the desktop and I pick that folder and I back it up. I hit upload and it will back up the entire process. So that's an easy way of doing it. Otherwise, we can find a folder in Drive that you want to have as your backup, and you can actually go through and move individual pieces in there. That is another very easy way of doing it. You'll get a little countdown on how long it's going to take to complete. Depending on how much you've been backing up directly, it shouldn't take too long. Big recommendations is back up your documents, pictures, and those two things should take care of. Your desktop would be another thing to actually try to back up. If you have those three, you probably have everything you need. So desktop, documents, and pictures. Your downloads are always just a temporary file, and usually you can get those back fairly easily, but you're welcome to back up those. But usually that's just a catch-all location for other things. Yeah, that's really it, guys. If you have any questions on the process, like I said, just create a folder and move it over into your drive. My big recommendation is always going forward, always just save your files initially into Drive and you're ready to go everywhere you're at. Don't depend on your computer to be the storage, let the cloud be your storage. But that's all I got for you today, guys, and thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with other educators your passion for transforming education. Keep innovating, educating, and changing lives. See you in the next video.